Now we're going to demonstrate the bending and the punching of the LPV unit, as you see here. It's a very lightweight bench-mounted unit with the pump hooked right up to the back of the cylinder. And if you'll notice, we're going to start our bending. However, you cannot really start your bending efficiently this way because, as you may be able to see, the bar is too high in the fixture. And Ulf is now going to show you what will happen if you try to bend without being in the middle.
Yes, we have this punching unit, and the middle of the piston has the biggest power, and we must bend in the middle so we don't have a damage of this piston, cylinder piston, and also here inside the piston of the bending yaw. So we must now adjust the height of the bar so it goes down a bit, so we have the piston power in the middle of the bar.
And the way we do that adjustment is we have the arm supports, and as in this case where we have a long bar, we have movable arms. The arms can be moved along the track for the length of the bar, and they can also be swiveled so that you can support the bar even further. If you'll notice, beneath the bar are rings. These rings can be adjusted in height by removing or stacking them. And what we will do now is we will remove the rings so that we can move the bar down lower so that the piston can bend in the center of the bar.